everyone, my name is Vlad Catrinescu and welcome to my course, Demonstrate the Business Value of Power Virtual Agents. I'm a Microsoft MVP in Office Apps and Services from Montreal, Canada. The Power Platform is one of the world's leading platforms for low-code applications and business intelligence. In this course, we will learn the business value of Power Virtual Agents. Some of the major topics that we will cover include what are Power Virtual Agents and what business problems they solve, creating a Power Virtual Agent bot, and publishing and monitoring a Power Virtual Agent bot. By the end of this course, you will know what the Power Virtual Agents product does and how to get started creating bots. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with what the Power Platform is and at least the high-level goal of the products inside. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other Power Platform topics with courses on Microsoft Power Automate, Microsoft Power BI, and Microsoft Power Apps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the Power Platform with the Demonstrate the Business Value of Power Virtual Agents course at Pluralsight.